Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First, I would like to thank everyone who will to watch this video. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Yudhari Muhyiddin and I'm from Pamulang University. And this is my final exams about drama. In this video, I'm going to explain or present to you my analyze the issue reflected in the story, the Zeus story, written by Edward Albee. But first, I will introduce to you who is Edward Albee. Edward Albee is Edward Franklin Albee, born in March 12, 15 and 28 at Virginia, United States, died on September 16 in 2016. Edward Albee was an American playwright known for works such as The Zeus Story, The Sandbox, Who is Afraid of Virginia Woolf, A Delicate Balance, and Three Tall Women. Some critics have been argued that some of his work constitute an American variant of what Martin Aslin identified and named the Theater of the Absurd. Three of his plays won the Pulitzer Prize for Drama, and two of his other works won the Tony Award for Best Play. The Zeus Story. The Zeus Story is a one-act play by three-time Pulitzer Prize-winning American playwright Edward Albee, written in 1958. It premiered in West Berlin, Germany in 1959. The Zeus Story, which deals with themes such as loneliness and the commercialization of society, can only be stated as part of Edward Albee's At Home at the Zoo in tandem with Home Life. In examining the two plays as one, the New York Times said, "What makes Peter and Jerry such an essential and heartening experience is the chance is afforded to compare the dramatics of then and now." Mr. Albee is, among other things, a chronicle of life as a Russian. The first issue is alienation. Developed by Karl Marx, the theory of alienation or Entfremdung posits that capitalism has distorted the human relations that are not controlled by the participants themselves. This, in turn, leads to separation of things that belong to each other naturally, which then result in antagonism in things that are in order. Next, in this Zeus story, the life of Jerry, who has become a burden not due to conflict, but due to alienation from his family, as well as from other characters. Jerry does not share any of his internal feelings with anybody. And quotation about this issue is when Peter asks about those two empty picture frames, and Jerry answers, "I don't see why they need any explanation at all. It's not it clear? I don't have picture of anyone to put in them." And Peter said, "Your parents perhaps are a girlfriend." And Jerry explained, "You are a very sweet man, and you are possessed of a truly enviable innocence. But good old mom and good old pop are dead. You know, I'm broken up about it too. I mean, really. But the particular how they fell at is playing the closed circuit now, so I don't see how I can look at them all neat and firm." In this conversation, Jerry explained that he has no one or lonely exiled. And the second issue is existentialism. Existentialism is a form of philosophical inquiry that explores the problem of human existence and center of the experience of thinking, feeling, and acting. In this view of the existentialism, the individual starting point has been called the existential angst, a sense of dread, disorientation, confusion, or anxiety in the face of an apparently meaningless or absurd world. Existentialism thinker frequently explore issues related to the meaning, purpose, and value of human existence. In this drama, a person who wants to show his existentialism is Jerry. He deliberately does that to attract Peter's attention. The evidence can be seen as follows. When Jerry said, I have been to the zoo, but Peter doesn't notice. And Jerry said again, I have been to the zoo. And once again, Mister, I have been to the zoo. And the third issue is homosexual. Homosexual issue is a same-sex love. Based on the story, Jerry is not interested in women. Based Jerry is not interested in women, he make it clear that he realized at the age of 15 he was homosexual and had relationship with a man. And Jerry was interested in talking to Peter by asking about his family or anything. This statement can be proven by the following sentence. When Peter asks the girl, and Jerry explained, no, I wonder if it's sad that I never see the little ladies more than once. I have never been able to have sex with, or how is it, but make love to anybody more than once? Once, that's it. Oh, wait, for a week and a half when I was 15, and I hang my head in shame that puberty was a lad. I was XOMOSEXUAL. I mean, I was queer, with bells ringing, banners snapping in the wind, and for those 11 days, I met at least twice a day with the park superintendent's son, a Greek boy, whose birthday was the same as mine. Expect he was a year older. I think I was very much in love, maybe just with sex, but that was the just of a very special hotel, was not it? And no, oh, do I love the little ladies? Really? I love them for about 1 hour. And the fourth issue is about social class. Social class theory. In the view of Karl Marx, social class means the presence of economic differentiation among the members of society. It must be noted that social class is not determined by the occupation or income of someone, but is determined by the position an individual enjoy in a particular society. This drama, Peter and Jerry, two representatives of different social class. Peter wants to enjoy his leisure time and Jerry is in search of conversation. There is Peter who lives in well-established structure, the typical of other family. Different about Jerry. In contrast to Peter, Jerry is offbeat. He neither has a wife nor a family to live with. He is totally lonely. And quotation about this issue is when Peter said, "It's so unthinkable. I find it hard to believe that people such as that really are." Jerry asked, "It's for reading about, is not it?" Peter say, "Yes, people such as that seems to mean people, poor people, and Jerry would be one of them too, because Jerry is so lonely and off the beat." Hmm, I think that's enough from me. Sorry if there are mistakes in pronouns. Thank you guys. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.